Hey students and parent! Meet your new study buddy, Student AI. This AI-powered tool will help you get through your assignments, ace your exams, and many more features. Keep your study schedule on track. Let me quickly show the top features in Student AI. In this video, I will cover how to supercharge your studies with our top features like Instant Homework, Help and Math Problem Solver in this video. Just click on Homework Helper feature to use. Expand the window and type your homework topic for Student AI to help you. Let's try a history assignment. Let's ask Student AI to write essay on India Independence Day. It will generate content with explanation with all required information. However, you can ask to generate more content if required. You have options to save all your homework content for future reference. You can use Homework Helper feature for other subjects like English, Hindi, Maths, Social Science also. Let me show you how Math Problem Solver works. It is very sophisticated, capable of not just calculating answers, but also showing detailed solution steps for students to understand and learn for all complex maths questions. Thank you for your time and showing interest in our Student AI. I hope you enjoyed our video.